In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the WordPress password from Hostinger in 2025. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply wish to enhance your security, this guide will help you navigate the process effortlessly. We'll be using Hostinger's interface, which simplifies many tasks but can be a bit complex if unfamiliar. Let's dive in. First, you need to access Hostinger's H panel, their custom control panel. Start by going to Hostinger's homepage and log in using your account credentials. Navigating your way to the H panel is your first step, and it's essential to get this right, as all subsequent actions will take place here. Once logged in, locate the Websites tab on your dashboard. This section provides an overview of all the websites hosted in your account, allowing you to manage each site conveniently. By clicking on Websites, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the site you want to manage. After selecting your site, navigate to the Dashboard button associated with it. This will lead you to a centralized area where you can manage various aspects of your website, from plugins to databases. It's a powerful tool, and today it will help us reset your WordPress password. Next, look for the option labeled Databases. It's usually under the Advanced section. Clicking on Databases is crucial as it will guide us to the area where our WordPress user data is stored. Once there, seek out the button for FMyAdmin. FMyAdmin is an external tool that enables you to manage your databases with a user-friendly interface. Clicking on it will launch a new tab or window, taking you directly into your database management area. Inside FMyAdmin, locate the Enter FMyAdmin button and click it. Doing so grants access to the heart of your database management system. Here, we're specifically concerned with the table named WP Users. This table contains all the user details for your WordPress site, including usernames and passwords. Within the WP Users table, find the option to Insert. Clicking this will allow you to input new information or modify existing entries. The key field we're focusing on is labeled User Pass, where your WordPress password is stored. Click on User Pass and you'll have the opportunity to insert a new password directly. Remember, WordPress passwords are typically stored as MD5 hashes. So, before entering a new password, ensure it's on your clipboard as an MD5 hash for it to function correctly. Various online tools can help with generating MD5 hashes if you need assistance. By following these steps carefully, you'll successfully reset your WordPress password through Hostinger, ensuring your website's security and your peace of mind. And there you have it. A straightforward method to reset your WordPress password using Hostinger's platform. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!